Make FIFA World Cup jersey photo edit that is going viral on Instagram. So you don't need to buy any jersey, you can just create or edit a photo on your phone. So this is very easy. What you can do is that you just need to go to chat gpt here, and after going to chat gpt here, you have to select one photo from the plus icon. Simply select your photo, okay, first of all. So let me just select one photo here. So I will just select this photo, and then here you have to write one prompt. So you just need to paste this one: make a photo wearing FIFA World Cup jersey realistic, and on the bracket you have to type your favorite country name. Okay, so I will just go for Argentina. So just click on send option, and then hold on for a few seconds or minutes. It will take some moment to create an image, and then you can upload on your social media, and then you'll get lots of likes and views and comments. So just hold on for a few seconds. So I think it's done almost. Here you can see I just created this image. So in this way you can create lots of image and upload it. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.